Vivo launched its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y200 GT, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y200 GT features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y200 GT sports a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT-600 sensor, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Origin OS 4 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75.88 by 7.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 194.6 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y200 GT has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from May 24th, in Thunder Black and Storm Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y200 GT smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.